Welcome to our comparison of the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer and the GreenChat portable washing machine. Today, we will delve into their specifications, usability, and overall value to help you decide which washing machine suits your needs best. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer offers a substantial 1.7 cubic feet, allowing you to wash larger loads of laundry at once. In contrast, the GreenChat portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for smaller loads, making it ideal for individuals or small households. If you frequently wash larger items or multiple garments, the BLACK+DECKER model will be more beneficial. However, if space is a concern, the GreenChat's compact size may appeal to you. The BLACK+DECKER small portable washer is a fully automatic machine, meaning it handles all washing cycles with minimal user intervention. It features multiple wash cycles and temperature settings for optimal cleaning. On the other hand, the GreenChat portable washing machine is semi-automatic, requiring more manual effort to operate. This can be a drawback for those looking for convenience, but it may also appeal to users who prefer a hands-on approach to their laundry. Price is a significant factor when choosing a washing machine. The BLACK+DECKER small portable washer is priced at $309, reflecting its larger capacity and advanced features. In contrast, the GreenChat portable washing machine is much more affordable at $99, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, it's essential to weigh the price against the features and capacity to determine which machine offers the best value for your specific needs. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer and the GreenChat portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The BLACK+DECKER model excels in capacity and automation, making it suitable for larger households, while the GreenChat offers portability and affordability for those with limited space. Consider your laundry needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.